Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free rewards by doing the seasonal pass on Great Garden. So this is the season 1 pass. You'll have 31 days left to do this. The one at the top is free, like you can claim the one on the top for free. If you want these, you do have to purchase the premium one. You can get exotic prime seed packs and like the rainbow Mizuchi instead of just the regular one, but you still get free rewards even if you don't even if you don't have the premium one. So these are the quests that you can do to up your levels. I think the quests are pretty easy in my opinion. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can also use your, what are these called? Pass points to purchase items here. And there's even the grow all kind of section here, which I think is pretty helpful. So yeah, that is how you can do the seasonal pass and get free rewards. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.